Welcome back to Dazzle Carpentry YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about 7 sink materials you need to know. But before we get to that, please do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notification. Also, thank you for the support you have given us so far on our previous videos. We appreciate it. You can also check out our previous videos where we talked about interior designs which can be of good use for DIY, interior design enthusiasts, architects and so many more. Another important decision to make in choosing the type of sink you want in your space is the actual material the sink is made of. The material can make a vast difference in not only the style it contributes to the space, but also the function. If you're still with us, then I'm guessing you are interested in knowing all about your sink and its materials. So let us dive straight into the details. Number 1. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is a popular material for sinks due to its corrosion and oxidation-resistant properties. The shiny metal material is by far the most popular choice for sink materials. Although it is more expensive than porcelain, it is less expensive than solid surface or granite sink. In addition, stainless steel is very durable and fits with most kitchen design styles. The cons, however, of this material include making a lot of sound when washing dishes. It is less unique than many other materials, and it is liable to scratches and dents. Number 2. Composite. As the name suggests, composite sinks are made of 2 separate elements, usually granite stone dust and acrylic resins, under high compression. The end result combines the benefits of both the initial elements for a better and stronger final material. The completed material will hold up and remain looking brand new through hard use for a very long time and is virtually impenetrable. Number 3. Cast iron. Cast iron is the most common and usable cookware material that is also used to construct a sink. Cast iron sinks are built with durable iron alloy and also add a porcelain enamel coating. It is fired at a very high temperature, which gives the sink that signature smooth, glossy surface. We are glad to know that you are still with us so far. For staying so far, we have a special bonus for you at the end of the video. Please stay tuned. Number 4. Copper. Copper is definitely trending within many kitchen design styles right now. The most important thing to understand is that copper changes in color very easily depending on many factors. If you're looking for something that will remain true to the original and not appear rustic at all, copper is not the choice for you. However, if you can embrace the live-in finish copper has and appreciate the beauty of it, then you will be very happy with a copper sink. Porcelain. Porcelain sinks are ceramic made of clay materials. The type that makes a sink is usually kaolin, which undergoes a high temperature to form a hard-like surface for resisting water. Usually, porcelain comes to a slightly less expensive price point than stainless steel. However, considering the downsides, it is hard to view the two as equal in value. Most times, you'll be better off choosing a more durable material unless your heart is set on the timeless style of porcelain. Number 6. Fire clay. A fire clay sink is a type of ceramic sink. These sinks are not carved, they are molded at extreme temperatures. The process of molding starts when clay is formed into the desired size and shape of the sink, which then dries under a mild level of heat for up to 2 days. These sinks are also very heavy. So similarly to cast iron sinks, professional installation with additional support is recommended. Number 7. Acrylic. Acrylic kitchen sinks are often made with fiberglass, plastics, and resin. Acrylic is a cost-effective and attractive material. It comes in a variety of colors and designs. Being lightweight, it is great for any countertop material and a good option for retrofits. Made from polycarbonate plastics, this material is among the most interesting choices. Not only does the material's molding process allow for a great variety in shapes and colors, but the final product is fantastically reparable. This means that scratches and stains can be buffed out. It is also one of the best sink materials for muffling sounds because it is so soft compared to other sinks. Thank you for staying with us to the end of the video. Here is the bonus we talked about earlier. Did you know a sink is also known as a sinker, wash bowl, hand basin, wash basin, and simply basin? It is a bowl-shaped plumbing fixture used for washing dishes, dishwashing, and other purposes. Sinks have taps that supply hot and cold water and may include a spray feature to be used for faster rinsing. They also include a drain to remove used water. This drain may itself include a strainer or shut-off device and an inflow prevention device. Sinks may also have an integrated soap dispenser. Many sinks, especially in kitchens, are installed adjacent to or inside a counter. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on post notification. Leave a comment if this video was helpful to you. You can also leave a suggestion on any topic you would want us to talk about in the comment section. To support what we do and for more information, follow our social media handles on Facebook at Dazzle Furniture Limited and Dazzle Carpentry Trading. On Instagram at Dazzle Furniture, at Dazzle Carpentry. On Twitter at Dazzle Furniture and at Dazzle Carpentry.